Hey, Sergey,
Not
what are you up to?
Well, I was driving back from the park and the car started overheating. So I pulled into a parking lot and I don't know what to do. The gauge is on H and I don't help me.
Okay.
What do I
How long have you been there? Have you been there a while? Where are the kids?
I let them run around.
Okay.
I let them out of the car. We're in the parking lot.
Okay.
And
have you let the car cool down?
so the car's off.
Okay.
And it's still like right up at the H line, and we're just sitting here. I opened the hood, and it's definitely like hot in there. And I called my husband. He's supposed to come get me, but I don't know if we can move the car. How long is it going to take?
Okay.
What do we need to check?
One, we need to have the car cool down, so that way we can sort of check everything out. Once it's cooled down, let's go ahead and do you know where the reservoir is for where the antifreeze goes?
I think it's by the windshield wiper fluid.
Sort of. What's okay? So, once
So you get out and look.
Yeah, you can get out and look in a minute after we talk. So what we want to do is make sure that we can find where the reservoir is for the antifreeze, because that's where we want to make sure if we have antifreeze in there. Did you have antifreeze in before? Because I know you had this overheating problem before, or did you have water in it?
Well, the last time it overheated, it was kind of the end of the summer last year, and I called a shop here in Waco, and they advised me to just fill it with water. So that's what I did, and I haven't looked at it since because that kind of fixed the problem.
No,
but now it's hot again.
So the water's going to evaporate eventually, especially in Texas. It's really hot. So we're probably going to want to let it cool, and we're going to want to let it, we're going to want to purge the system. So what I want you to do once Matt gets there, one, give him the kids because we know he's not mechanical either. I can say that, right? He's related to me. Okay, so then what I want you to do is check if there's any water or antifreeze left in it, which I'm thinking there's not. And go ahead and put antifreeze in the car. And then you're going to want to turn it on and let it sort of cycle through and maybe let it run for about 5 or 10 minutes. And with your heater on, turn the heater on full blast. And yeah, I mean, welcome to, it's going to be hot in there. So you're going to roll down the windows and run it for about 5.
Yeah, it's really warm today.
Run it for about 5, and humid and muggy, I'm sure. Run it for about 5-10 minutes and let that antifreeze sort of circle through the system. And then I want you to let it set for about an hour after you have it run for 5 or 10 minutes. And then once it's set for an hour, go back and check the level of your antifreeze again and see if you need any more, because I'm pretty sure you're out of antifreeze. So why don't you do that? And then
normal for the antifreeze to go down some once you start the flushing it.
Once you start, because you're gonna let it run. So I know, how far are you away from the house?
Like 20 minutes away. We were at the park.
Okay, so I think you're fine. Just go ahead, put the antifreeze in, turn the heaters on, roll the windows down, and then drive home. And then once you drive home, let it set for about an hour, and then go back and check your level of antifreeze. So I think you'll be fine. And if it still starts to overheat after that, then give me a call back and we can walk through some other scenarios. But I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to be.
Okay, we can do this.
Okay, we'll see what happens. Good luck with the kids.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, they're crazy.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.